Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find and charge your Insta360 One RS. So let's take a look on the right side of the camera, and here we can find a little hatch. So if we open it, inside there will be USB-C in which we can plug and start charging this device. So now let's open it like this. Just simply pull this trigger down and it should open. Now the easier way to do it is to open the case of the camera, take the camera out, and here we'll have much easier access to this hatch. Now let's open it again. Right here we can find our USB-C. So take the charger, make sure that the charger is connected to the power, then stick in this USB-C and your camera should start charging. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.